to show you how to turn off all annoying notifications on your Mac or MacBook. It's really easy to do. Now, let's just say I'm going to show you how to do this for any apps that you may have. It's really easy. First thing you do, top left-hand corner, you click on the Apple icon. From here, all you need to do is you go to System Settings, click on that. It'll bring you to this pop-up panel like so, where all we want to do to actually turn off all these annoying notifications is you can either click on the notifications option, or from here what you want to do is you want to scroll down and you can actually find the app that you want to turn off notifications for. Let's just say I want to turn off Spotify notifications. You click on the app, turn them on right here, or turn them off like so. And as you can see, there's select options. You can do this for any app if we go back out of here, including notifications from websites just by clicking on this right here. And you can do this for any amount of apps you would like.